What if I told you that a simple overlooked spice, smaller than your thumbnail, could reignite life in your body and naturally awaken your erections in just 60 seconds? Regardless of your age, the pills you've taken, or past disappointments, a single bite of this spice could spark the strength you thought was lost forever. I know, it sounds impossible, but stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal could change everything. I'm Dr. Moit Kara, and I've spent over 30 years helping men in their 60s and beyond regain what time and stress have quietly stolen: vitality, confidence, strong circulation, and the ability to feel like themselves again. And no, this isn't about expensive prescriptions or gimmicks. It's about awakening what your body already remembers if you give it the right tools. Here's the twist. This isn't a new drug or high-tech invention. It's a spice that's likely been sitting in your kitchen cabinet all along. In fact, your ancestors once used this very spice to enhance intimacy. Now, modern science confirms it works far better than anyone imagined. Chances are you've walked past it countless times without realizing its hidden potential. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how chewing this one spice for 60 seconds can naturally relax your blood vessels, reduce stress that suppresses testosterone, combat gum disease that disrupts circulation, and even improve sleep so your body can restore itself overnight. I'll guide you step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to use it and what changes to expect over 7, 14, and 30 days. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss more natural health breakthroughs tailored for men like you. And if this message resonates, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 so I can better serve your needs. Let's begin with the heart of this discovery. What makes this tiny spice so powerful? The secret ingredient hidden in cloves. The secret is eugenol, a natural compound found in every clove. I'll never forget when one of my patients quietly said to me, "Doc, I just want to feel like myself again." He didn't mean rock-hard abs or running marathons. He meant feeling confident, strong, the quiet, steady strength every man deserves when his body responds the way it once did. That conversation led me to dig deeper into natural solutions, and eugenol kept appearing. This compound is abundant in cloves. When you chew just 1 or 2 whole cloves, the oils release eugenol, which doesn't stay in your mouth. It absorbs almost instantly into your bloodstream through the soft tissue. And that's when the magic starts. Eugenol acts as a vasodilator. In simple terms, it helps open and relax your blood vessels, especially the small, stubborn ones responsible for sexual performance. After 60, these vessels naturally stiffen and narrow, restricting blood flow. Eugenol gently reopens these pathways, naturally and without force, like a soft massage for your arteries. What's more, eugenol boosts nitric oxide, the very molecule that those little blue pills try to mimic. But this happens naturally in your body, without the headaches or crashes those pills often cause. Some men feel a warm, noticeable rush of energy within minutes, subtle but real. But the spice doesn't stop there. It also addresses another silent destroyer of testosterone: stress. Why erections weaken after 60, and how cloves help reverse it. I've seen countless men, heads lowered, quietly confess that things simply don't work like they used to. I always reassure them, this isn't their fault, it's biology. As we age, the delicate vessels that support erections stiffen and lose elasticity, thanks to years of stress, processed foods, inflammation, and inactivity. The result? Poor blood flow, and without that, no erection can occur. But here's what most doctors never tell you. These changes aren't permanent, they are reversible. Clove, and its eugenol content, not only relaxes these vessels but also helps restore their flexibility, like unclogging an old pipe so water can flow freely again. Some of my patients have reported spontaneous morning erections returning after just 2 weeks. Not because of pills or luck, but because their circulation finally had a chance to work naturally again. The 60-second clove method, step by step. The best solutions are usually the simplest, and this is no exception. Here's exactly what I tell my patients. Take 2 or 3 whole cloves. Avoid the powdered form. Whole dried cloves, preferably organic, work best. 2. Place them between your back teeth, the strongest for chewing. 3. Slowly crack them open, releasing the oils. Don't rush. War. Let the oils coat your mouth and tongue for 30 seconds. Breathe calmly. Then chew gently for another 30 seconds, mixing the oils with your saliva. You can swallow or spit the pieces afterward. Either works. Many men feel clearer, warmer, and more grounded almost immediately. When should you use it for best results? Timing matters. For most, chewing cloves an hour before bed is ideal. It calms the nervous system, promotes deep sleep, and triggers testosterone production during the night. But mornings work too. On an empty stomach, cloves awaken circulation and sharpen mental clarity. Others prefer using it before workouts or intimacy for improved stamina, presence, and energy. Consistency is key. This isn't a magic trick. It's a daily investment in your long-term vitality. But there's more. Stress, the hidden saboteur. Even if your blood flow improves, stress can shut everything down. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, the enemy of testosterone. High cortisol means low testosterone. Cloves help here too. Another compound in cloves, beta-caryophyllene, directly signals the brain to reduce stress responses, creating calm and safety. As cortisol drops, testosterone can finally rise, naturally. Better sleep, higher testosterone. Without deep, quality sleep, hormone production collapses. But chewing cloves before bed eases the nervous system into restorative REM sleep, when testosterone is rebuilt. Many men tell me they sleep deeper, dream again, and wake up with more energy, and yes, stronger morning erections. Gum health, the unexpected link. Gum disease silently damages the very blood vessels needed for erections. The bacteria from infected gums leak into your bloodstream, inflaming arteries and blocking flow. Clove oil is nature's antiseptic. When you chew cloves, antibacterial compounds neutralize harmful bacteria, protecting both your mouth and circulation. What to expect in 7-14? By day 6, you'll notice subtle warmth, clearer thinking, and better sleep. By day 8, energy improves. Spontaneous erections may return, your body feels reactivated. By day 3, stronger erections, restored confidence, and a renewed sense of manhood. Even relationships improve, as presence and vitality return. Conclusion: the strength you've been waiting for. For over 3 decades, I've seen men regain what they thought was lost, not with pills but by unlocking the body's natural wisdom. This simple, forgotten spice may do more for you than any supplement or prescription, by restoring blood flow, calming stress, deepening sleep, and protecting your health from the inside out. If you've read this far, your body is already asking for change. The choice is yours. Wait for a miracle or create one with your own hands. Start tonight. Feel the difference, one day at a time.